Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your LG Smart TV to Wi-Fi. From the home screen of your device, navigate to the side panel and select the gear icon on it to open settings. Then, navigate to the gear icon once again to open all settings list. And here, select General. Now in General, we're gonna have to navigate to Network, and then select Wi-Fi connection. After that, you'll be presented with all the available networks in your area. Select the one that you want to connect to. If you want to see more, just navigate lower on the list. And once you find the network that you want to connect to, press the middle D-pad button and then provide a password to it. You can use your D-pad to navigate between keys and the middle D-pad button to select the character or the digit that you want to enter. You can also use the erasing button to remove the digits that you entered wrong, and this way enter the password to your Wi-Fi network. Once the password is entered, navigate to the green enter icon, press OK and wait until your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Once it's connected, you will see the respective notification on the left side of your device's TV or of your device's display. Then you can press the home button and return to the home screen. Now you are connected to the Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.